Hello and welcome to the little guest house. This time we make a smoked Bratwurst. Well, it's a little bit more like a Wurst, so it has a little bit more structure and you can make it in different sizes, but it is a Bratwurst. We use a 3mm plate. Check if it's tight enough. Okay. So here we got the slightly frozen meat. This is pork belly, and this is pork neck. Okay, so here we get the spices. Some mustard seeds and white pepper. Here we got the curing salt and some brown sugar. You want to mix that a little bit. Okay, and now you go. Finished. And that's it. Here is some ice snow. Gonna mix in there. We get a little bit more flexible. Okay, today we use two different sizes of casing. The small one, the sheep casing, that's a short one. And now the other one. Okay, first we have to fill this one up. We're going to start with the thicker one. Because I think we don't have enough meat for that much casing. Okay, this is what we have now. So we got Good, I think. Okay, we're gonna cut. See what it looks like. Still soft. Well, very good. If you cut it in small slices, you put it on your bread or just eat like it is. Here you got one of the small size. This is sheep casing, still flexible, but they break. Well, maybe a couple days longer drying and they're perfect. That was smoked Bratwurst, and I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up if you liked it, or hit the subscribe button on the bottom, and well, see you back the next time at the littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. Bye bye.